Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change display picture and WhatsApp channels. So, what are the WhatsApp channels? They are a feature on WhatsApp that allows individuals or organizations to broadcast messages to a large audience in a one-way format. So, where we can find the channels, you just need to go into the updates, where is the status or the stories, and right here, as you can see, you can create a channel just by tapping on these three vertical points, and then you need to go into create channel, and the steps are as same as when you want to create a group chat on WhatsApp. So the concept of the video is about how to change the display picture in WhatsApp channels. So you need to go into our your channel, or the channel that you are in, or to create one. And after that, once you get into your channel, you just need to go and tap on the name of the channel, or on the top of the screen, where is the name of the channel. And right here, I just want you to go into this 3 points and tap on them, and here I want you to tap on edit. So once you got here, I just want you to go into this icon, this camera icon, and the green color, and after that I want you to upload the picture that you'd love to be on your channel, and or anything else, a camera, a picture, sorry, that has been taken by your camera, or you just got the picture from the web, or a picture that generated by the AI, etc. Anyways, guys, this is how to change the display picture in WhatsApp channels. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.